It's that time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. With us today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Great to have you both here.
Thank you.
So let's jump right into this viewer-submitted question. This one comes from Josh in Avoca. Josh says, I fell skiing and had to have surgery to my wrist. The pain did not subside following surgery and turned to numbness. I explained this to my doctor and he said it was normal. I had to have another surgery to the same wrist and it's not any better. What should I do? All right, Molly, you want to start us off?
Sure, I'll be happy to. Josh, I think the first thing you should do is actually get a second opinion. You may want to go reach out to another physician and tell them what's been going on, what your symptoms are. It sounds to me like you might have a nerve injury, which could be a real problem for you now and going forward. So, which means you also may have a medical malpractice case. So what I would first do is go reach out to another physician, see what they have to say, and then maybe reach out to us and we could see if we could help you.
Yeah, because with these medical malpractice cases, it's important, one, to find out really what's wrong with you, then two, gather the records, and if you have a physician that's willing to help you and fix your problem and then testify in court against the other doctor, that's the way you're going to put that claim together. But obviously, if you're having problems, it's always good to get those second opinions, get your medical records, get to an attorney. Once you have learned, you discovered you have a problem with your wrist, that's when your statute of limitations begins to run, and it's important to protect that statute.
And with any case like we talk about on here, it's always important to just keep every document, take pictures, everything like that.
Correct. Yes, yeah, if you're having problems if your hand or wrist, you can always document the mobility with videos, different things, nerve injury. We always tell people to keep a diary, because if you're having those problems, when you go into a deposition 3 years later, you may not remember what was actually happening. So it's very important to protect your evidence.
Right, definitely. Yeah. All right, Molly and Greg, thanks so much for your
Thank
time
you.
today. If you have
Thank you.
questions for them, reach out to them by phone, by the internet, or find them on social media. And if you have a question, you can submit it at pahomepage.com.